In Des Allemands, homeowners know that windows do more than frame a beautiful view of the bayou. They protect against heat, humidity, storms, and rising energy costs. When it comes time to replace old or inefficient windows, many residents consistently choose double-hung windows. Their popularity isn't just about appearance, it's about practical benefits that fit the unique needs of homes in South Louisiana. Here's why double-hung windows continue to be a top choice for homeowners in Des Allemands. Built for better ventilation in humid weather, living near the water means dealing with warm temperatures and high humidity for much of the year. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their ability to open from both the top and the bottom. This design creates natural airflow by allowing warm air to escape through the top sash while cooler air enters from the bottom. For homeowners looking to reduce indoor stuffiness without constantly running the AC, this feature makes a noticeable difference. Improved ventilation helps maintain comfort, especially during mild spring and fall days when you want fresh air without sacrificing efficiency. Easy to clean, inside and out cleaning windows can be challenging, especially in two-story homes. Double-hung windows typically feature tilt and sashes, allowing you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. That means no ladders, no risky balancing acts, and no need to hire outside help for routine maintenance. In a region where rain, pollen, and moisture can quickly leave windows looking dirty, easy cleaning is a major convenience. Homeowners appreciate the time savings and the ability to keep their windows looking clear year-round. Energy efficiency that makes a difference. Older windows often allow air leaks that drive up energy bills. In Des Allemands, where summers are long and air conditioning works overtime, inefficient windows can significantly increase monthly costs. Modern double-hung windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like insulated glass, low-E coatings, and tight weather stripping help reduce heat transfer and minimize drafts. By keeping cooled air inside and hot air outside, these windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. The result? Greater comfort and potentially lower energy bills, something every homeowner can appreciate. Classic style that fits any home. Des Allemands is home to a mix of architectural styles, from traditional southern homes to more modern builds. Double-hung windows offer a timeless look that complements nearly any design. Their symmetrical appearance and clean lines make them especially popular for homes that value classic curb appeal. Whether you're updating a historic property or building a new house, double-hung windows provide a balanced aesthetic that never feels outdated. And with various frame materials, colors, and grid patterns available, homeowners can customize the look to match their vision perfectly. Safer for families. If you have young children, safety is always top of mind. Double-hung windows offer an added layer of security because you can open the top sash for ventilation while keeping the bottom sash closed and out of reach. Many modern models also include advanced locking systems and reinforced frames, providing peace of mind during storm season and beyond. In an area where strong winds and heavy weather can occur, durability and secure construction are essential. Space-saving design. Unlike casement or awning windows that swing outward, double-hung windows slide vertically within the frame. This makes them ideal for homes with walkways, porches, or landscaping close to the exterior walls. Homeowners don't have to worry about windows interfering with outdoor spaces or requiring extra clearance. It's a simple feature, but one that adds to everyday convenience. Long-term value. When homeowners in Des Allemands invest in window replacement, they want a solution that lasts. Double-hung windows are known for their durability and ease of maintenance. With fewer mechanical parts exposed to the elements, they tend to offer reliable performance over time. Additionally, updated windows can increase a home's resale appeal. Buyers often look for energy-efficient upgrades and low-maintenance features, and double-hung windows check both boxes. The smart choice for Des Allemands homes. Choosing new windows is a significant decision, especially in a climate that demands both strength and efficiency. Double-hung windows offer the right combination of airflow, easy cleaning, energy savings, and timeless design. For homeowners in Des Allemands, it's not just about replacing old windows, it's about upgrading comfort, improving efficiency, and enhancing the beauty of their home for years to come. That's why double-hung windows remain one of the most trusted and popular choices in the community.